Best tennis rackets. Are you looking for the best tennis rackets? In this video we will look at some of the best tennis rackets on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Wilson Hyper Hammer 5.3. For over 25 years, the Hyper Hammer has been a favorite among beginner tennis players, earning its place as one of Wilson's best-selling rackets. Its lightweight design makes swinging effortless, which is a huge advantage for players who spend long hours on the court. Unlike heavier rackets that can strain the shoulder and elbow, the Hyper Hammer allows for extended play without discomfort, making it perfect for newcomers building stamina and technique. The racket's design also makes generating spin nearly effortless, helping beginners experiment with new shots and improve their overall game more quickly. Its balanced feel gives players confidence when serving or returning, letting them focus on accuracy rather than struggling with awkward handling. One standout feature is the oversized 110 square inch head. This larger hitting surface is more forgiving on off-center shots, which is ideal for novices who haven't yet mastered precise contact. It also provides extra real estate for serves and returns, reducing the frustration that comes with mishits. Beyond performance, the Hyper Hammer is notable for its affordability. Despite offering features typically found in higher-end rackets, it comes at a beginner-friendly price, making it an excellent option for budget-conscious players who want quality without overspending. With a 27.5-inch length, weight of just 8.96 ounces, and multiple grip sizes ranging from 4 inches to 4.5 inches, the Hyper Hammer is versatile enough to accommodate a variety of players. Overall, it's an accessible, high-performing racket that has stood the test of time, providing a reliable choice for anyone starting their tennis journey. Number 2. Babolat Boost S. Babolat has earned a strong reputation among tennis players of all levels, including top professionals, and it's easy to see why. Players often return to the brand for its consistent quality and reliable performance. As Tennis Pro Matchy shared, Babolat is a brand that I always come back to, highlighting the trust and loyalty it inspires. The Boost series, which includes the Boost S, is specifically designed with beginners in mind. It focuses on providing exactly what new players need to improve their game, without any unnecessary features that could complicate learning. The Boost S offers an extra boost to your returns, helping players generate more power while keeping a comfortable and controlled feel. This makes it a versatile racket for all areas of the court, from serving to volleys. Its 10-ounce weight strikes a perfect balance. It's light enough to swing effortlessly, allowing for extended practice sessions without fatigue, but also sturdy enough to hit shots with confidence. The racket's 102 square inch head provides a forgiving sweet spot, making it easier for beginners to make clean contact and gain consistency in their game. Affordability is another highlight. Like the Wilson Hyper Hammer, the Boost S sits comfortably in the mid-range price bracket, though it is often even more approachable for budget-conscious players. This combination of performance, comfort, and cost makes it an excellent choice for anyone ready to step up from a basic beginner racket. With a 27-inch length and multiple grip sizes ranging from 4 1/8 to 4 3/8 inches, the Babolat Boost S is a beginner-friendly, high-quality racket designed to help players grow their skills with confidence. Number 3. Wilson Clash 108 V2. Let's be upfront, the Clash 108 V2 isn't the cheapest beginner racket on the market. However, for those who are serious about their tennis journey or simply value comfort and performance, it's one of the best investments a new player can make. This racket is designed to provide exceptional comfort without compromising on responsiveness, power, or control. Its balanced feel helps beginners achieve above-average accuracy on every shot, giving them the confidence to work on every aspect of their game, from serves and volleys to ground strokes. One of the standout features of the Clash 108 V2 is its enlarged sweet spot. This provides forgiveness on off-center hits, which is crucial for beginners still refining their technique. The forgiving nature of the racket means fewer mishits and more consistent returns, allowing players to focus on developing skills rather than battling frustration. While the initial cost may seem high compared to sub-$100 beginner models, it's important to consider longevity and value. The Clash 108 V2 is built to withstand years of regular play, unlike many cheaper rackets that may wear out quickly or fail to provide consistent performance. For beginners who want a racket that supports growth, feels great in the hand, and delivers reliable results, this model is worth every penny. With a length of 27.25 inches, weight of 10.48 ounces, a generous 108 square inch head, and multiple grip sizes ranging from 4 inches to 4.5 inches, the Clash 108 V2 combines comfort, precision, and durability. It's a premium choice that sets a solid foundation for any new tennis player ready to invest in their game. Number 4. Head Geo Speed. The Geo Speed is another excellent value option from one of tennis's most trusted brands, making it an ideal choice for beginners or casual players. Its standout features include a large hitting surface and durable construction, two qualities that help new players gain confidence on the court. The generous 105 square inch head makes it easier to make clean contact with the ball, reducing frustration from off-center hits and giving beginners more consistent results during practice and matches. Measuring 27.5 inches in length, the Geo Speed is particularly helpful for smaller players with shorter swings, offering added reach without sacrificing control. At the same time, this slightly extended length can benefit any novice player, providing extra leverage on serves and ground strokes while still feeling manageable for those still learning proper technique. While it's not a pro-level racket, that's not its intention. The Geo Speed is designed for newcomers or anyone who wants a reliable recreational racket for weekend play. It strikes a strong balance between performance and affordability, delivering essential features without unnecessary extras that can complicate learning. For players just starting out, this means a more enjoyable and forgiving experience on the court, encouraging longer practice sessions and faster skill development. We also appreciate the construction and durability, which ensures it will last through multiple seasons of casual play. With a weight of 10.4 ounces and a single grip size of 4 3/8 inches, the Geo Speed is simple, straightforward, and practical. Overall, it's a beginner-friendly racket that offers excellent value for its price, making it a smart addition to any player's collection. Number 5. Wilson Burn 100 ULS V5. The latest Burn racket doesn't just look stylish on the court, it also performs exceptionally well, making it an excellent choice for beginners and recreational players alike. One of its standout features is its lightweight design, which allows for effortless swings while reducing strain on the wrists, elbows, and shoulders. This makes it ideal for long practice sessions or extended matches, where comfort can be just as important as performance. Despite its light weight, the Burn doesn't compromise on power. Its stiff carbon fiber construction delivers impressive shot strength and stability, giving beginners the confidence to hit with both control and precision. The racket is also highly maneuverable, making it easy to adjust quickly during fast-paced rallies. This balance of stability and responsiveness sets it apart from many other beginner-friendly rackets, providing a smooth and enjoyable playing experience. Another advantage is its approachable price point. Positioned in the mid-range category, the Burn offers premium materials and performance without breaking the bank, making it a smart investment for players who want quality without overspending. It's a versatile option that sits comfortably between ultra-basic entry-level rackets and higher-end, professional models. With a length of 27 inches, a weight of just 9.7 ounces, a 100 square inch head, and multiple grip sizes ranging from 4 inches to 4 3/8 inches, the Burn is adaptable to a variety of player preferences. Overall, it's a well-rounded, beginner-friendly racket that combines style, comfort, and performance, earning its place as a top recommendation alongside the other Wilson rackets featured in this guide.